quick trade recap. So we're trying out a new sort of way, going in with no system, just being fluid, reacting off pure price action and reading pure price action. So pre-market, this kind of hadn't closed yet. Um, we had hourly highs here and hourly highs here. We actually do bar replay. So, oh, I don't like bar replay. So, going in to today, I was like, what's the obvious draw on liquidity? We had these highs here and these highs over here. These are 4-hour highs. 4-hour highs, 1-hour highs. I was like, we're obviously going to come up to there at some point today. We were down here, market open, somewhere around here. Yeah, we were like here, market open. So, likewise, we had those highs, when you see a sweep of them, or these lows, 15-minute lows here, here, 15-minute imbalance. Now, what I was thinking, to get up to these highs, price could have to come down and sweep out 15-minute lows, and then we can use the 1 minute to get up there. Or if we take them out straight away, then we're going to be coming down to these lows and stuff. NQ was a bit different. So this is kind of an SMT. We had 4-hour highs up here. The ES swept out. As you can see, very different charts right now. So I was mainly looking at ES today because ES was all the way up here. So that's our super high time frame SMT anyway. But I was looking at, right, okay, where would be our draws? We've got lows down here, we've got highs here, here, and here. Realistically, this is market open. Price isn't going to come up and take out these hourly highs up here or here. It's realistically just going to take out low resistance highs and then seek out those hourly lows, as that's a very obvious drawn liquidity rather than up here, like ES was. So market opened. Oh, sorry, we also had 4-hour imbalance in line with these 4-hour highs. Yeah. So market opened. We instantly pushed up and took out those highs, these highs as well, also those highs, and filled this 4-hour imbalance completely. And then I wasn't really thinking about getting chopped up on the 1 minute. I wanted to see a higher time frame retrace. So on the 5 minute, waited for a 5-minute close of this candle and drew on equilibrium just from this high down to this low, where that 5-minute candle closed, I believe. Yeah, and then I actually enter on this candle close there. And then so we had this bullish imbalance disrespected, bearish imbalance disrespected, bullish imbalance finally disrespected again. And this is obviously a very imbalanced price range because got 1 imbalance, 2 imbalance, 3 imbalance all together, and we've got to push through it after sweeping out high time frame liquidity. Broke 1 minute structure here, which is in line with this order block a little bit. On the 5-minute, we don't use that anyway. Broke 1 minute structure. I was like, okay, cool. We've disrespected this imbalanced price range. Broke 1 minute structure, cool. 1 minute order block here because this move up. These are equal highs, but this move up also took out this liquidity again. So 1 minute order block, equilibrium from the high to the low. push into the order block, push into equilibrium, and also one more test of this imbalanced price range. And then we entered shorts here, stop above the equal highs. Target was just these 15-minute draws here, which is in this 15-minute imbalance. We could have done better is have a much tighter stop loss. I feel like our trade idea would still be invalidated if this price range was pushed back above again. So that would be a more sensible stop, just rounding up to the nearest 10 from that price range. Which would have made a much nicer RR. But whatever. We also could have targeted these 15-minute lows, these 15-minute lows, and potentially these ones. I don't know where the hourly lows are. They are the hourly lows down there. But any of those, bottom of the imbalance, we targeted those ones for a 1.3 RR trade. Quite simple, high time frame sweep. A retrace after pushing through this imbalanced price action, entered short, purely just reading what the candles were saying rather than going in with the strict system and a step-by-step guide to follow, as I couldn't really use that. I didn't really like it, and all of the week before last week, we were using that system, trying to go step by step, and it just wasn't working. Instead, we were going short, just being fluid in what price is given to us. NQ came up, swept out low resistance 15-minute highs from pre-market, and then a 1-minute imbalance. Disrespected a 1-minute break of structure. There was no really true retrace of such to give an entry at all, as you can see. But ES did give us that good entry, and NQ just kept on going down, taking out hourly lows, and now just took out those hourly lows. And DS has also took out those hourly lows. So, simple trade recap. Things to work on, more conservative stop loss. I think. But other than that, yeah, I think today went well.